Really excited to have you all here today. So welcome to our session about creative problem solving.
We often think of creative problem solving or creativity as relegated to the arts, but it's in every discipline at every different level.
96% of educators think that we need to find ways to integrate creative problem solving into existing curriculum.
So synthesizing ideas is incredibly important to problem solving, and that's where most great ideas come from. You got a phone, you got a satellite, now we have a cell phone.
Your standard A student kids, a lot of times creative thinking is really scary for them. They don't like that there isn't a right answer. But for all the other kids, they suddenly get let out of jail because they're not searching for that single right answer.
Failure on a test is different than failure in the process of creation. When you're creating, you will fail, and that's when your brain gets activated to learn.